How to get 60% off Southwest Airlines coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here you're going to find the search box, type in Southwest Airlines coupon code and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website, couponfollow.com. This is the legit website where you're going to find tons of amazing offers and deals for Southwest Airlines. Once you're on the website, just scroll down and check out the offers. 25% off, $10 off, 30% off and many more. Head towards the offer that you want to grab, just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it. Now I can copy the code and click on redeem at Southwest. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Once you're on the website, you can go ahead and log into your account, book your flight, and then proceed to checkout. In the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Over here, type in your code and confirm it. With that, you're going to get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as on this website, you're going to find tons of offers for Southwest Airlines. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Likewise, head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also give a try to this one website, groupon.com, as this is also the legit website where you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Southwest Airlines. So this way you can easily get up to 60% off Southwest Airlines coupon code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.